You are making pop.
You've got fire here going. You've got pop.
It's somewhat of an occasion, I must say.
I really feel quite good about this.
It's a nice fit. Oh, it's good, man. Do we need to get there?
Yeah, we're going to have to work this into the title.
Elvis Blue, what are you going to do for us today?
Scarpies.
Meat and eat.
Chops.
Oh,
So
man.
I'm going to reveal. Look at that.
That is
But-
something.
Okay, now these aren't just regular chops.
No.
Okay, you can see that they're a little bit thicker. These are called saddle chops. So if you're going to have your thin chops, it's not going to work as well. You can see that there's quite a vibe going there now. You're going to put them down with the fat side
Laterally.
to the bottom. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to I'm just going to scalpel. Okay.
Yes.
I'm going right through. Now the reason I'm doing this is because in a while we want to put them down fatty side first.
That's
All right. So we're going to go fatty side to the bottom.
yes. Oh, listen. Oh, isn't that just the most beautiful sound?
While this thing is happening here, we can start with the pop. All right, now you're going to put it here on your searing side burner. This is quite a vibe.
Yeah.
All right, now that the pop is going there, look at that.
I like mooi.
That's beautiful. Okay, so this is quite a little process got going here.
I mean,
But
oh, look. Beaut.
this is
Yeah.
is quite heavenly. We're going to give the other side some love.
Okay.
And while we're doing that,
Of course, you need
while
to.
this is happening,
Yes.
is we're just going to take a pan and we're going to put it in here. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil because what we want to do now is we want to just make a nice sauce
Of course, yes. For the
for
pop.
ons pap. All right.
Saucy. Sausom.
This thing can go now. What we're going to do now is we're going to remove these skewers.
Oh, yes.
Just be careful that you don't burn your hands, okay? Because but now you can just braai this like you would any other
Yes.
regular lamb chop. Right, Leon, I've plated things up now.
Yeah, that's...
We don't care about the mealy and the pop and
No,
other
no,
stuff.
it's fine.
The main thing is the chop.
We're here for this.
So there are no, we don't have to be fancy. We can just go for it. How do you feel about this?
I feel inspired.
I really feel so good about this.
I feel more than good. Elvis Blue, it's been real, man. Inspiring stuff.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
Had a good time.
We should really do this again sometime.